Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the mysteries of Taoist metaphysics and uncover the profound principles of how the universe operates. Have you ever wondered how the universe functions? What kind of connection exists between us and the universe? Taoism, one of China's ancient religions and philosophies, revolves around the concept of Tao. Tao is the fundamental principle behind the existence and change of everything, the origin and destination of all. Next, let's talk about the yin-yang and the five elements theories. These theories not only explain the workings of the natural world, but also guide our lives and spiritual practices. In the eyes of Taoism, nature is not just mountains, rivers, and streams. It's also a place for spiritual practice. Taoism emphasizes harmonious coexistence between humans and nature, teaching us to comply with nature and find inner peace. So, how can we achieve inner harmony and unity with the universe? Taoism offers various cultivation methods, such as sitting meditation, Tai Chi, and health-preserving breathing techniques. These cultivation methods not only contribute to our physical and mental health, but also help us understand the essence of the universe more deeply. Whether in stress management, environmental protection, or personal development, the wisdom of Taoism can guide us. Through today's video, we hope you've gained a preliminary understanding of Taoist metaphysics. We encourage you to continue exploring and practicing to discover the deeper meaning of life and establish a deeper connection with the universe. If you have more thoughts or questions about Taoist metaphysics, feel free to share them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on Taoism and metaphysics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.